Shopify versus Square versus Ecwid versus Wix for soap bosses. Soap sisters and bubble brothers, if you're feeling overwhelmed by website options, you're not alone. Choosing the right platform can feel like trying to pick the perfect scent blend. There are so many options. And it's your business on the line. But don't hit the showers just yet. I'm here to help you navigate this decision like a pro. In this video, we're diving headfirst into a website smackdown, comparing 4 heavy hitters: Shopify, Square, Ecwid, and Wix. We'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases, so you can confidently choose the platform that'll cleanse away your website worries and leave your business squeaky clean. So, grab your rubber duckies and let's get right to it. First up, we've got Shopify, the heavyweight champ of e-commerce. Shopify is like an industrial-sized soap-making operation built for serious volume and growth. If you're dreaming of turning your soap-making side hustle into a full-blown online empire, Shopify's got the muscle to handle it. Powerful features like abandoned cart recovery can save you lost sales. Plus, you get in-depth analytics to track your best-selling soaps and understand your customers. Shopify integrates with marketing and sales tools, automating your business. But all that power comes at a price. Shopify starts at $29 per month plus transaction fees. Think of it like renting a prime retail space, an investment for serious scaling. If you're just starting, it might be more horsepower than you need. But if you're ready to scale and dominate the online soap game, Shopify is your champion. Next, we've got Square, the friendly neighborhood shop of website builders. Now, Square is perfect if you're already using their point-of-sale system for craft fairs, farmers markets, or a physical store. It's like having your online shop seamlessly integrated with your in-person sales. Everything just flows together. Imagine this. A customer buys a bar of your lavender soap at the market, and boom, Square automatically updates your online inventory. No more manual spreadsheets. No more late-night inventory nightmares. Plus, Square is incredibly affordable. Starting with a free plan that covers the basics, they have paid plans with more features. But even those are very budget-friendly, making it a great option for new businesses or those who want to keep costs low. However, while Square is incredibly easy to use, it's not as customizable as some other platforms. Think of it like choosing from a selection of pre-designed soap molds. They're beautiful and functional, but you might not have complete control over every little detail. So if you're already using Square for in-person sales, or you want an easy-to-use, affordable platform with seamless integration, Square is an excellent choice. But if you're a design aficionado who loves to tinker with every pixel, you might find Square's design limitations a bit constricting. Chapter 3. Ecwid, your website wingman. Now, let's talk about Ecwid, the ultimate website wingman. Ecwid is like that friend who just seems to connect with everyone. They integrate seamlessly with your existing website, social media platforms, and even online marketplaces. So if you already have a website you love but want to add e-commerce functionality, Ecwid swoops in to save the day. It's like adding a beautiful functional soap dish to your existing bathroom setup. It complements what you already have without requiring a complete overhaul. And the best part? Ecwid is incredibly budget-friendly, with a free plan that's perfect for testing the waters. They also have paid plans with more features, but even those are very affordable, especially considering the wide reach you get by selling across multiple platforms. However, while Ecwid is fantastic for adding e-commerce to an existing setup, it doesn't offer the same level of in-depth features as some other platforms. Think of it like having a portable soap making kit. It's perfect for on-the-go crafting, but you might not have all the bells and whistles of a dedicated studio. So if you're looking to add an online store to your existing website or social media platforms without breaking the bank, Ecwid is your go-to solution. But if you're looking for a platform with advanced e-commerce features and customization options, you might need to explore other contenders. Chapter 4. Wix, your design-savvy website builder. Finally, we have Wix, the creative soul of website builders. Wix is like that friend who can whip up a stunning batch of soap with intricate designs and mesmerizing swirls. Wix's drag-and-drop editor gives you the freedom to design your online storefront exactly as you envision it. No coding experience? No problem. Wix makes it easy for even the most tech-challenged soap maker to create a beautiful website. Plus, Wix offers a vast library of templates specifically designed for online stores. However, Wix isn't as robust for e-commerce scalability. Think of it like a beautiful handcrafted soap dish, elegant but not practical for storing hundreds of bars. If you prioritize aesthetics and user-friendliness, Wix is an excellent choice. But for high-volume sales, you might need other platforms. So there you have it, Soap Sisters and Bubble Brothers. A breakdown of 4 fantastic website platforms to get your soap business bubbling online. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best platform for you depends on your individual needs, budget, and long-term goals. Before you make your final decision, consider these key factors. How important is it to have your website seamlessly integrated with your in-person sales? Do you need advanced e-commerce features like abandoned cart recovery, or are you just starting out? How much time and effort are you willing to invest in designing and maintaining your website? Which platform have you tried or are considering for your soap business? Let us know in the comments and share your experience. Remember, no platform is perfect, but finding the one that aligns with your needs and budget is the key to a successful online presence. If this video helped you narrow down your choices, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more business tips, and share it with fellow soap makers. Until next time, happy soaping, Soap Sisters and Bubble Brothers.